Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
In light of our Nexo cost forecast, the cost of Nexo will cross the $2 mark toward the finish of 2024. As per our Nexo cost expectation for 2025, the eventual fate of the Nexo token is brilliant, and it could raise a ruckus around town mark. Our Nexo cost expectation for 2030 shows that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $6. As of now, Nexo's cost is exchanging around $0.64, which is practically 5% down from the last week. In spite of the negative opinion, Nexo holds the possibility to recuperate and could hit $2 by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for Nexo expectation, our inside and out examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, is Nexo a wise venture? How high might Nexo at any point go? Where to purchase Nexo? Before we start with a definite Nexo gauge, we should plunge into the coin's outline. What makes Nexo special? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives cryptographic money-supported credits to clients. These advances don't need a FACO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45-plus government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo survey here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is important. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists fluctuate as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.87, a significant leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backer interest. Notwithstanding, it checked nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo scaled above $0.73. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary forms showed a terrible presentation. The Nexo cost displayed security, acquiring financial backer certainty, and showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop understanding starting from the start of 2021. In any case, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was amended persistently, and it shut the year around $0.6 to 22. Starting from the start of 2023, the Nexo token has enlisted an unpredictable development. Toward the finish of January 2023, it has arrived at a pinnacle of $0.85. Afterward, it confronted a sharp dive and tumbled to $0.52 in October 2023. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo's figure contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around $0.64 with a 24-hour value change of plus 0.43% and a 24-hour volume of $3,723.53 with a market cap of $359,510,732. There is as of now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost forecast for 2024 is $0.181. According to the Gauge Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.19. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at any rate charge of $0.78. Moreover, the Nexo cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $1.90. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. We guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $17. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Nexo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.74 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.91. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.29. The normal least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.26. Besides, Nexo can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.49. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2024-2030 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo cost might go on upwards, crossing Dana 132 by the 2024 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful conjectures. Nexo Value Forecast 2024. As indicated by the investigation and Nexo cost expectation for 2024, it is estimated that the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.84. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.32. Overall, the normal exchanging cost may be $1.18 in 2024. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. In 2025, the Nexo coin could stamp the benchmark year as the greatest cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $2 definitely. In view of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base extended cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $1.15, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $0.7 during 2025. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by our Nexo cost gauge in light of specialized examination and past information, the Nexo cost could leap to about $3.1 by 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $0.3 and $0.7 individually. Nexo Coin Value Forecast 2027. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are Nexo expectations that the coin could record a most extreme value level of $4.4 in 2027. The most extreme cost of Nexo might be around $3.2. Overall, the Nexo cost may be $0.25 during 2027. Nexo Expectations 2028. Taking into account our Nexo conjecture for 2028, the overall greatest cost of Nexo token may be around $5.2. The base cost for Nexo is anticipated to be roughly $4.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $4.7 during 2028. Nexo Figure 2029. As per our Nexo cost forecast, the token is supposed to exchange at any rate cost of $5.55 with a greatest cost of $6.25. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $5.9. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. Nexo coin is supposed to have a critical year in 2030, with the greatest value estimated to surpass $6 according to our Nexo expectation for 2030. The base cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $5.3, while the typical cost is expected to be around $5.7 during 2030. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a brilliant and splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will control the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even virtual entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's